Hi, hello. This is Ushri Guruji. Let's start with the Narkel Chingri cutlet, which is coconut prawn cutlet. It's basically a Bengali dish. This is a very regular dish of any Bengali house if you go. So if you go to any Bengal house, definitely any function or any auspicious day, like mainly in the Bhai Phota, which is a very famous program. It's happened in Calcutta, like which is the Bhai Dooj we make on that particular day. Let's start. I'm taking the smashed prawn, ginger, garlic and chili paste, crushed coconut, little bit of coriander, chopped onion and chopped chilies, salt as per requirement, the black pepper as much you want spices. Before adding this rice flour, we will smash this well. We should add the rice flour for the binding purpose. We can give a shape. Now I have to dip into that egg. Oil is pretty hot now. We need to do the deep fry. Put slowly one after another. Remember, prawn doesn't need too much of cooking. So slowly we have to wait the textures get brown. See, it's coming a nice color. See, it's almost done. So now let's start the plating. Lemon with a onion ring, and this is a Bengali special sauce. It's called kashondi. Here it is, Chingri Narkel cutlet.